How are ya? Noxis Flak here, and today's going to be a more unique video. Today's going to be an unboxing video. I made a financially irresponsible decision, and it has arrived. I think this is relatively recent for American viewers, so if you did order one of these, it would have come in the last 1 or 2 days. So let's check it out. I recorded this on my phone. Apologies if you hate it. But if anyone has any guesses, let me know in the comments below. I'll believe you that you actually knew ahead of time what it was. Of course, it'll be in the title, so I'm being ridiculous. So a lot of paper in this one, and of course it's too bulky to pick up with one hand without opening it. It's pretty long. Bob just took it out without using the camera, but there it is, the CYBERBEER and the Cyberstein limited edition set. That's the logo right there. Pardon all of the trash that was all inside of the box, except for the potato chips in the background. That's unrelated. And there it is. a sizable waste of money. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. So these are reusable, very sturdy, kind of heavy, actually. And it's that ceramic. It doesn't look like it at first, but you can hear it as I'm moving it against the wood. And those two are identical. I didn't notice any differences between those two. Got the Tesla symbol at the top. And getting it out with one hand was a little awkward, but there it is. And there's the CYBERBEER. And then that was actually what I saw a GIF of when I ordered it on the Tesla website. And then let's get the other one out. CYBERBEER. And there's a little bit of a crease in the plastic covering, but there you go. 7% alcohol by volume. And I then was like, wait a minute, are they not the same? Oh no, looks like they're the same. There you go, there is the CYBERBEER limited edition. Sold out, I think, in like 36 hours. Don't remember exactly how long, but this is completely sold out. It was fun to be a part of it. And I know which one of my friends I'll be sharing this with. Let me know in the comments below, was this a total waste of money? See you in the next one.